Here are a few reasons why your key fob might not be working even after you replace the battery. First, there could be something else wrong with the fob itself. Over time, the fob buttons can loosen or wear down, especially if they're made of rubber. If the buttons on your fob are getting stuck or having trouble popping back up, you can take apart the fob, remove the buttons, give them a quick clean, and put the fob back together. Another reason your key fob might not be working could be an issue with the battery connector terminals. This problem isn't one you can see from the surface, so you'll need to take apart the fob to get a closer look. If the battery connector terminals look like they've been damaged or like they've gotten loose and shifted, you can solder them back into place. But if everything looks good on the inside of the fob, the problem may lie with its connection to your car. Key fobs work by connecting to a receiver in the vehicle. When that paired connection is lost, the fob can no longer control the car. If this is the case, here's how you can reconnect the fob to the car. Get inside your car and close the door. Then insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the run position rather than actually starting your car. Then turn it back to the locked position. Do this several times until you hear a chime or another sound, then test the buttons on your fob to see if it has successfully reconnected. If that doesn't work, your car may have a different programming sequence. In that case, you can try the following steps instead. Start again by getting into your car, but this time lock the door manually. Insert your key into the ignition and pull it back out. Do this 6 times over up to 10 seconds. If this is the programming sequence your car uses, your interior and exterior lights should begin flashing. After that, put the key back into the ignition and turn it to the accessory position. Press one of the buttons on the key fob. If the reprogramming has been successful, the hazard lights should flash. But again, make sure to test the fob to see if the process worked. If neither of these methods works for you, contact an authorized dealer or auto shop that has experience working with your brand of car. No matter what kind of car you drive, Jerry's mission is to help you save time and money on all your car expenses. Go to getjerry.com to learn more.